Srimati Supriya Suleji.
Thank you, sir. I agree with the sense of the House that we are all in one voice agreeing that we are completely open and supportive. It's probably a drop in the ocean, our salary cut, but we all want to stand united in this choice. But I would like to flag 3 limited points to this government. Obviously, that the Central Vista, I was just calculating, the cost of it is 20,000 crores. And the amount of money that it is, 800 MPs, 12.5% of the cost is going to be. So it's 12.5 crores. So it's 10,000 crores you are saving for our MP lads to build a building which we are not asking.
The mic.
Or cut his MP lads. You can take a vote here that would you want a Central Vista or an office, or do you want a ventilator and a good hospital and a school in your constituency? I think it's a given. I don't think even it's not even rocket science. So I urge this government to come clean on it. One more question I want to ask. I don't want to repeat. We are all in one house. It is. I just want to ask this. I remember when Dr. Manmohan Singh ji was the Prime Minister and the late Honorable Pranab Mukherjee was the finance minister. He had an austerity measure drive that time. I want to ask this government, why are you not reducing your government expenditure to make sure that the costs come down? What is it? And the money is of the MP Care Fund. It's, first of all, there is a Prime Minister's Relief Fund. Why does it need to be superseded by one PM Care Fund? I mean, I really don't know the logic. And after that, you cannot even question it. So what is the logic of, and why no transparency? This whole government constantly talks about transparency. What do they have to hide that they needed to create one more layer and have this? They are reducing subsidies. Look at crude oil. Crude oil globally is going down. In India, petrol and diesel prices are going up. What is the logic? So can somebody come clean in this government and guide us? So
Yes.
I urge to, in one hand, that we are completely happy to give up our salaries. MP lads need to be calm, and this entire Central Vista project must be cancelled right now, and more ventilators must be brought for the common man in this nation.
Thank you very much, Sri Arif.